and welcome back to Sablador for an English-speaking version of Book the Nest. And today I'm going to speak to you about thinking fast and slow. So Thinking Fast and Slow is a book written by Daniel Kahneman, a fucking Nobel Prize, and it's a psychological study of intuition. He worked all his life to understand how it works. Everything is in this book. It's a fat book, very deep, with a lot of experiments, a lot of stories, mathematics. I should recommend that you read it, but you should read it very seriously because it's not that easy. And today I'm going to explain very fast about three main parts of what we can learn in this book. Intuition and rational thinking are two different ways to consider a problem, and we don't control which one we use at some point. All the book is about that, and the author is calling it System 1 for intuition and System 2 for rationality. Going fast about rationality, a cognitive machine which is effortful and difficult, and you can physically see it when someone is computing and calculating, that his pupils are dilating. But he focused more about the System 1 and I wanted to explain what is intuition. First of all, intuition is knowing the answer before knowing the problem. And it should come with a feeling of ease and confidence, because your brain is a lazy one and it wants to answer all the questions without too much thinking about the problem. And it is very dangerous, because the book is about the bias of intuition. For example, substitution is a big one. When you substitute a question for another question, all your intuition is very much influenced by what the words you just saw before. And there is an interesting experiment about that, when you show words about youth to a group and words about old age with another group. And guess what? After that, the second group works slowly than the first one. There is a lot of other bias, for example, the halo effect, which is very close from this one. And this is why maybe at Pleasantness we write post-its and ask everyone to write post-its, because we don't want the first to answer to influence all the other one. And there is also one thing, it's called what you see is all there is, meaning that your brain is designed to understand and use only the information it sees and not all the information it's missing. When you have only one information that seems relevant, your brain will stop there and never think about what have not happened before. Having all this bias in intuition have a lot of consequences which are clearly described in the book. Your brain likes to jump to conclusions. And for example, it explains how much the randomness of the world and change is something that your brain is not designed to capture. It will try to build consistency. For example, in sport and performance, when someone has been good in the first day, for example at golf, it's a statistical fact that the second day it will be less good because it just been lucky the first day. That will be explained by commentators saying like stuff like, he has too much pressure for the first day, but it's just randomness. Sometimes you get lucky and then you get less lucky. Another very interesting part is about experts and traders, explaining how much this work is totally a random work, and that usually, for example, an expert is worse than a monkey throwing darts just randomly, because an expert has a big bias about how he sees the world, and his expertise is quite useless to predict the future. A big conclusion of this book is about implementing routine external check tests and using formulas to take decisions, because as much as you want to put the human part in any decisions you have, you will put all our bias in it too. The second part of the book is most shorter, but still interesting, and it explains the difference between humans and econs. This part of the book is a lot about decisions and gambles. And for example, one big finding, which is known but still interesting, is that the fear of loss is way much important than the desire of gain. We are not rationals, we are not without emotions, and all economics models are irrelevant once applied to humans. All the economics models are based on it's called econs, which is people like us, but a bit working like robots. And when you put it to humans, which is exactly we are, it doesn't work. Last part of the book is about the difference between the experiencing self, what you experience, and the remembering self, what you remember from your experience. For example, for holidays, when you do some experiments, you really see that people want to go to holiday to remember stuff. and that we make choices more about what we will remember than what we will experience. And this has very important implications. For example, in science and in medical issues, there is a rule which goes peak end rule. When you remember an experience, you will not remember exactly what happened or the duration of what happened. You will remember the peak, what was the worst, for example, if it's a medical operation which is painful, and the end. It's an average between the peak and the end that will characterize your experience. You will prefer remembering a medical operation which has been way more long, but where the peak was the same and the end was lower. It means we favor choice, very short, over moderate and durable happiness. What should we do with that? It's an interesting question that opens a lot of doors, but the book will not answer all of them, so you will have to decide by yourself. I had to tell you about this book very fast, but you should read it slowly. If I try to sum up, a lot about this book covers the question that it is not possible to guess what will happen tomorrow, even if you strongly believe you can. Let me end by a sentence from him that I like. The idea that the future is unpredictable is undermined by the ease which the past is explained. Thank you.